Hello friends. I have updated this Excel sheet for modeling of PEB buildings in Staad through Excel. In this new version, I have added a few features like in multi-span 3, multi-cable 1 and multi-cable 2. We can now give different uh, lengths of the bay span. Uh, and The second thing I have added is we can give future expansion like non-expandable frames along grid line, first grid line, along second grid line, or along both grid lines. Now, also I have added wind load as per Indian standard IS 875 2015 latest code. Now we will start with this. Uh, for Let us take an example of clear span. I have taken the building length as 60 meters and building width as 30 meters, E height as 9 meters, and let us consider future expansion at first grid line, slope as 10 meters, and a clear span, and all the supports are pin support. And most important, we have to give the file path where I have to save the stat file. For the reference, I have given sample one dot stat. Now, second thing, we have to adjust the base spacing. I clearly told in the last video that we have to match the total length and the total base spacing. If it is not matching, we cannot run the program. Here I have taken one bay of 7,400, five bays of 9,000, and one bay of 7,600, adding to 60 meters. Now in load cases, we can define dead load, collateral load, live load, and any kind of loads, which are two categories: dead load or imposed load. And like if I add solar panel load, and let us say 0.2 kilometer per square meter, and let it go in dead load, then it will automatically send this all solar load in the dead load category. Now in the wind load, we have to give wind speed, terrain category, design life, and all this is cells which are to be input cells. Let us say wind is 44 meter per second. Terrain category, let us say category 2, it will automatically show that which type of building it is: open, well scattered objects of less than 10-meter height. Then design life you take 5 years, 25 years, 50 years. Let us say 50 years for all the general buildings. Then opening ratio of less than 5%, 5 to 20%, or 20%. Let us assume between 5 to 20%. Now topographic factor, let us consider 1. Then importance for the cyclone, for all other structure is 1. And if you change it, industrial structures, and point 1 is post cyclone is important. Let us consider all other structures. Then KD value of zero point 0.9 or 1 as per Kodal version. Let us go with zero point 0.9. Then this Ka value, it automatically calculates Ka for wall 1, wall 2, roof 1, roof 2. Then Kc factor again from the Kodal provisions, and just this much. And for the clear span 30 meter, if you click it, file is ready. I have not added purlins here. You can add the purlins and other things in the later stage. If you see, you can see dead load, live load, then all the 8 categories of wind load. In the dead load, you will get sulfate. One more thing, it is not, I have not added the properties that you have to add it by your own. You just will get the loads automatically, so at least your modeling time will be saved. So these are all the frame loads, then live loads. If you check for the dead load, let us see for the dead load how this um, let us see 3.15, because it's a central building, central span. I'll give you a quick calculation for this. It is 9 meters. If you see the load cases, the total dead load is, if you see, It is 0.35 kilonewton per square meter. So 0.35 into 9, that comes 3.15. So you have 3.15 here. And since there is a future expansion, so already the program has calculated 7.4 meters future expansion this side. And since there is no future expansion in this bay, it has calculated half of the load only. Same for the live load, and same for the all the wind loads. All the wind loads are calculated. Okay, guys. So I will show you another type of building now. Let us remove these files. Now let us go for multispan 3. So I'll change it to multispan 3. Now it is showing not okay because in this uh, I have given the restrictions that total half the width. Since the building width is only 30 meters and we have given 25 and 28 meters, so it is not okay. So we need to change the width. Let us say 120 meters. Now this span is 25. This is 35. Automatically calculated. Half of will be minus. This is 28 and this is 32. Let us keep this way only, and we can change it, and we'll change this to fixed support. The end supports will be fixed, internal will be pinned, and let us change the height also to 12 meters. Okay. Automatically, base spacing I am not changing. Uh, Load cases will be remaining same. Let us remove the solar load now. Wind load. Let us keep this as 50 meters, and generate. You see, 25, 35, 28, 32. That load is added. 1.35. Let us check. Uh, the total dead load is now 0.15. So 0.15 into 9 is 1.35. Same for all the live loads and wind loads. You see the height also, it is changed to 12 meters. So this program will save minimum 1 hour for you for the modeling. And in the next versions, I'm trying for earthquake loads and crane loads. So thank you guys.